Hi Dr. Waldvogel. I am finishing up my second class in EdTech at OSU. I wanted to thank you for the encouragement and credits you gave me to go back to school.
I am glad you want to be our next librarian, Jennifer. What classes did you take this semester?
Well, first I took Creativity and Innovation. It has helped me with the transition in my teaching to core curriculum.
That is great. What have you been doing the last few weeks? I have seen your wiki and blog. Those are new, aren't they?
Yes, I am finishing Advanced Computer Applications now. I have learned so much. I have created a wiki called Flying Jenny that parents or teachers can access. I have put links to great teacher websites at delicious.com/morogen. I have learned a little about internet safety for kids and our responsibility as teachers.
Really? I would like for you to be on our committee to create a social networking policy then. You sound like you have come a long way with your technological education. You know I love technology.
Yes. I have learned of some great software free for making multimedia productions. I learned how to better utilize Google Docs, which is great since Manford just switched over to Google Mail.
Well, that is very beneficial. Anything else?
Yes, I have figured out how to use our webcams on our laptops to speak in real time using the internet. Again, for free. How neat would that be to have pen pals across the globe? Our multicultural unit will be superb. Also, I have been able to enhance my teaching with various internet sites and tools, and really began investigating how better to use my dual board. It has been a wonderful class.
That's great, but how much is this going to cost me in new technology?
That's the good part. I was encouraged to use what we have available at Manford, instead of working with stuff we might never have. So, nothing. Unless you want to get me an iPad.
Well, sounds like a successful semester. Let me send more credits your way. And I will think about that iPad.
Okay then. Goodbye.
Goodbye.